Every ESP32 project hits the same wall. There are 8 chips now, more coming, and picking one feels like a real decision. It isn't. You just need 3 questions and the right one falls out the end. First, does it run on a battery? If it does, how long it lasts comes down to one thing: how little the chip pulls while it's asleep. And that's the C3's reason to exist. A single RISC 5-core, about 5 microamps in deep sleep. So it runs for months on a coin cell. Cheap enough to put in the sensor you'll build 1,000 of. Second, is it for the smart home? To land in Apple Home or Alexa cleanly, you need Matter, and Matter runs on Thread, which the older chips can't speak. The C6 can, and it has a low power core that keeps it on the mesh while the rest of the chip sleeps, so staying connected doesn't drain the battery. Third, are you doing something heavier than reading a sensor? The S3 is the one with real AI and machine learning acceleration on board, a camera interface, and up to 128 megabytes of flash to hold a model or an interface. It's the chip you reach for when the project grows teeth. None of that? Then don't overthink it, just use the original ESP32. More than half the products people have shipped on Blynk still run on it. Every example assumes it. It's the only one with classic Bluetooth and it just works. The rest are niche picks. The C5 has 5 GHz Wi-Fi. The H2 is Thread and Zigbee with no Wi-Fi. The C2 is the cheapest, an ESP32 66 replacement, and the P4 is a compute beast with no radio at all. They're all in the guide, if one of them fits. But on Blynk, provisioning, updates and dashboards work the same whatever you pick, so the chip matters a lot less than it feels like right now.